SGI number 1! SGI number 1!
Happy 6th grateful anniversary, SGI!
Experience the life that she deserves. And now I am certain po na I can still spend a long and healthy life with my mom because of Synergies.
I'm very much grateful because SGI was presented to me. I'm very much grateful kasi at the present, my children are now with me. Thank you, and we are very much grateful to SGI. There's nothing here to keep you running with the bag, gonna kick up the dust. They wish that they could see you, but you're moving so quick, they could never keep up.
Happy 6th year grateful anniversary, SGI!
Year grateful anniversary, SGI!
Happy 6th year grateful anniversary, SGI! Woo!
Sobrang effective po ng product. Kaya sobrang salamat sa SGI for making this product kasi talagang it's a miracle po talaga na mapagaling ang sakit na ayon nga sa mga doktor is wala pong lunas. Pero here I am now, 4 months na po akong flare-free.
And happy 6th anniversary to all. I appreciate all those leaders coming from different places, especially sa mga malalayo from Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. And you've seen here some people who have been awarded like from Pearl up to rank. And I'm looking forward, of course, coming from the Africa.
When we are expanding business from Philippines to Africa, it's not from Philippines to one country. It's from here to the whole Africa.
Amen. After this event, may your business of Synergy International move over boundaries.
Amen.
Maraming salamat po dahil sa SGI, we can live long abundantly.
Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. I love you all, guys.
Lahat ng bagay, biyaya ng Diyos. Ang gusto naming maririnig na istorya dito, not your story, but the glory of God, kung paano nabago ang buhay ng bawat isa. Fly high, SGI! Live long!